Hey campers, I am extremely stoked to show you the brand new ROK11000. This is a real quick glimpse of exactly what they're coming out for 2025. So let's check it out. Hey everyone, I am stoked to be one of the first to show you the all-new ROK11000. This comes with 2 twin beds that turns into a dinette, or you can have that full king conversion. This also has a wet bath with that 5-gallon cassette toilet, the full outside kitchen, 200 watts of solar up top, outside storage, heat, air conditioning, and the full kitchen in the back. Check out the all-new ROK11000. This is brand new for 2025. It weighs 2,400 pounds. We have storage up front, cassette toilet with that wet bath, a king-size bed in the back that turns into a dinette, or 2 twin-size beds. All right, so I know that was a quick video, but at least we got to see it, right? The 2 twin beds, that converts down into the king bed, but we still have that nice sized dinette inside. We have that cassette toilet with the wet bath. A lot of people were asking for that. Plus we still have ample amounts of storage up front, that full rear kitchen outside, 200 watts of solar up top with that Thule roof rack. So heat, air conditioning, 2,400 pounds, can't beat it. ROK11000, check it out. And also make sure you look at my other videos to see the ROK12000. And I heard there's a few more things coming in the future, so keep updated and keep coming back. Thanks for watching everyone. Do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.